Yes friends, since we are in education field, some of the services that comes as in backward integration or as in forward integration. Like to support our students, we provide PG support, we provide BCom support, we also provide friends placement support as a matter of forward integration. You know, I'll tell you at Navkar, we have our own placement division and that placement division works throughout the year. Why throughout the year? At ICI we also have a placement division, but that placement division works only at the time of result. But at Navkar, when we talk about the placement division, it works throughout the year. Throughout the year, the placements are always going on. Lot of multinational companies, lot of giant firms, CA firms, including big four firms, they come at our place to take up the maximum number of freshers. And why not friends? At Navkar, we generate more than 300, 400 CAs in a particular year. So when we generate more than 300 or 400 CAs in a particular year, this kind of big chunk is available where? I mean, at Navkar we provide this chunk, and obviously the industry people want the best students as a matter of fresher. So we provide them. So because we provide them, so in a natural course, they approach us, and that is where the Navkar placement division works. We have two full-fledged HRs who are working at Navkar placement division. They are in continuous touch with the companies like Wipro. Recently, Wipro came to our place and hired 3 of our chartered accountants, and all of them have been offered 9 lakh rupees. And even one of the student was a ranker, so she got an extra 1 lakh component because of the rank. So this kind of support is nothing but the blessings for the student, and Navkar always ensure that all such support should be provided. And as you can see, while I am discussing over here, the interview is as of now going on the backdrop, where a CA firm of Ahmedabad is taking interview of one of our candidate and will ensure that the placement will take place in a right manner.